So over here you can see that I have the make your own section right here, and over here what I can do is add in a feature element. So to do that, you can click on the add element button, and under feature you can see that I get an image over here on the left, and then I have the text over here on the right. You can go ahead and change this image to a video as well, or you can replace this out with other images as you like right here, just like this as well. And you can go ahead and work around with the text as you like. So with the feature element, you can go to layout and change it out into grid layout as well. So you can see that this is on the top and this is on the bottom. You can go ahead and change around, let's say for example, the media size right here. You can make it small or extra small right here. You can go ahead and show a button as you want as well and add a link right there. And then you can change this out to grid or list as you want. Apart from that, you can go ahead and add in border to the card right here and change around the border style as well. Change around the color as you want right here, just like this. Add around the border as you want. So this is what you have, as you can see in the layout, just like this. And there's the button. You can go ahead and say something like read more right here, and then add in a link as you want as well. So this is basically what you can do with a feature element inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.